How to do a test stream on Twitch. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can do a test stream on Twitch. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Twitch into your web browser, sorry. Then once you're in your web browser, in the search box, type out Twitch inspector. Then once you type that out and you're taken to the page where you see a number of blog posts, ensure you select the first option here. Then once you've selected Twitch Inspector, once it has loaded, click on Login with Twitch, because you have to log in with your Twitch account in order for you to test run on Twitch. Then authorize the login and wait for you to be redirected. Now, once you have been redirected, you can now see the home page and you can see the option for you to run a stream test. So just go ahead and select that. Then for you to run a stream test, you can see the instruction on the screen which says get your stream key from your Twitch dashboard. Then in an encoder like OBS in text area where the stream key goes, you type this particular option, then click on start broadcasting. And then once you've noted this down, you can just decide to copy what has been instructed here and then paste it somewhere so you can make use of that, and then ensure you have the stream key as well. Read the instruction and go ahead to click on close. And then once you've noted that, go back to your Twitch account and then go ahead to locate your stream key by clicking on your profile icon. Amongst the options displayed, select creator dashboard since you are trying to stream. So by selecting creator dashboard, you'll be taken to the creator dashboards page. Then move to the left side where you can see a sidebar. Scroll down and select settings. Amongst the options displayed, select stream. Then you can now see the stream key. So copy this as well. Head over to your OBS as instructed in Twitch Inspector. Paste the stream key. Then paste the code that has been displayed to you in your Twitch Inspector, which is this. All right, and then start broadcasting. So you can use the title bandwidth test flag to allow you broadcast without appearing online to viewers or sending notifications. This way you'll be able to run a seamless test easily. This is how you can do a test stream on Twitch. Thank you for watching and have a good day.